guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek, the hottest chef on internet, and today I'm taking your taste bud on a journey to Tamil Nadu to try their famous chicken salna. What is salna? Well, salna is another term for curry or gravy. This chicken salna is made in two variations, the Madras style and the street style, and we are going to make chicken salna street style. So let's start cooking. In the beginning, first we'll prepare the salna paste. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas, add oil. Once the oil starts heating up, lower the gas and first add in fennel seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorn and few dry red chilies. I'm going to saute them for at least few minutes. After sauteing it for few minutes, next I'm going to add in 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick and few pieces of cloves. Along with this, I'm going to add few curry leaves and saute it for few minutes. And next, to enhance the flavor of the whole spices, I'm going to add in few cloves of garlic. With that, few ginger slices and cook till the rawness of the ginger garlic goes away. Once the color of ginger garlic starts changing, I'm going to add roughly chopped green chili, and along with that I'm going to add in grated coconut and cook till it gets nicely golden in color. And let me tell you something, while making chicken salna Madras style, we also add in peanut alongside coconut at this stage. And lastly, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, keeping the flame low, saute it for few minutes and also keeping an eye on the coconut so that it doesn't turn brown in color, which will make the curry paste bitter. Once the color of the coconut changes to golden, which means the curry paste is ready, it's time to let it cool and then we'll make it into a fine puree. As the salna mixture is cooled down, now I'm going to transfer it into a jar. And with the help of little water, we'll blend it into a fine puree. To start the curry process, first I'm going to take a pan, heat it up, add oil. With that, first I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom and few cloves, and cook for few minutes. As the color of the whole spices starts changing, now I'm going to add in 2 chopped onion and cook till it gets golden brown in color. As the color of the onion has gone golden brown, next I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now that the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone, next I'm going to add in chopped tomatoes. With that, I'm going to add in little water and cook till tomato turns soft and mushy. Now that the tomato has gone soft and mushy, I'm going to add in turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt and cook till the rawness of the masala goes away. Once the masala starts coming together, we'll add in little water so that the masala doesn't burn. Once the oil starts separating, we'll add in the chicken. Mix the chicken properly with the masala and saute it nicely for 15 minutes. after sauteing the chicken for 15 minutes, now I'm gonna add in the salna paste which I prepared earlier. Mix the masala with the chicken. After cooking the masala with the chicken for few minutes, now I'm gonna add in little water. This will help me getting the desired consistency of the gravy. Give it a good stir and close it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. And our chicken salna is now ready. As you can see, the oil has been separated from the sides. Now we'll add in a little bit of freshly chopped coriander. Now we'll sear it for 2 minutes. And now our chicken salna is ready to be served. And finally garnish with some fresh coriander. And there you go guys, our chicken salna is now ready. You also do try making this recipe at home and do let me know how it turned out. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get Curried. Goodbye.